In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change direct messages on TikTok completely for free. Let's get right into it. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so once you have TikTok open, you want to click your profile, which is next to inbox. And go to the top right-hand screen and click this right here. And click the fourth option, which says settings and privacy. And basically, trust me, the before and after is going to blow your mind. Okay, so right here, you're just going to scroll down and then you're going to scroll back up. And then you want to click the second option, which says privacy, below account and above security and permissions. And if you scroll down here, you can see under interaction tab, you want to click the third option, which says direct messages, which is below mentions and tags. And as you can see right now, direct messages, we have filtered requests, which basically is messages from people we suspect based on account history. And then we have the read status. You can even choose to disable that if you want, and then allow direct messages from. It's currently set to friends. You can click no one, you can click suggested friends, or you can click everyone. It's completely up to you. And then once you're happy and satisfied, click the X. If you found value, drop this video a like, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe to the Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.